Te kautau ki muri, kore rawa e ki te a I te rangatahi mau moko. Engari ngā tautata kua pahure, I nā noa atu ngā rangatahi, mau ana I te taonga nei.
A lot of impact came from a political stance and how I want to rebel, kind of, in a way. I used my moko kauae as a way to show that I'm proud to be Māori and I will do everything it takes to stand up for my Māoritanga. When I was a kid, I thought I wasn't good enough and that moko kauae was only for karanga users and queer. Decolonising myself was a big part of why I got it and learning that it's a birthright, not something you have to earn.
Tahi marama noa iho kua tūia hei Manukura Wāhine o te kura nei. I tōna tahi marama e mōhio ana e ia ki ngā mahi kei tōna aroaro.
I think it's affected hugely on the Māoritanga of a head girl at the school. In the past, we weren't really known to have a big effect in our Māori students, but now that I think I have my moko kauae and I can show our Māori kids that, then they're more open to the thought of expressing their Māoritanga at the school and being ready to do certain things in Te Ao Māori that they wouldn't really do here. And I also think that giving them that push to express themselves is a big way of what I'm trying to do. So I want to change the way schools see Māori and how they treat Māori and how they view them as different from any other student at the school.
Ki ōna kaiako, kaore he tuatu I aia.
Since day dot, she's been an outstanding performer. She's always produced her best. She's been a role model right from the start, and that's carried on right through to now. She's a born natural leader. She's a hands up, follow me sort of leader, but she leads by example. She's a great role model for any of the kids to follow, and she's settled into her role really well. She's very comfortable in her own skin, and I think that's an essential part of being a leader. She walks very proudly as her, not trying to be anyone else. She's been the best version of her.
Aha koa e rere pai, māro tonu tana haere.
My short goals for this school would be to change the way we see Māori, expand from just kapaka and te wiki o te reo Māori, and seeing that you can use Māoritanga on a day-to-day basis.